What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the second channel. In this little video tutorial thing, I just want to show you guys basically how to get back your Instagram account, or even just to log back into Instagram if you're getting an Instagram login error. Now, for a lot of people, sometimes they might think their account is hacked or bypassed or something like that, and that's not always the case. Sometimes it could just be that you're timing out for your network or something like that. But the most probable cause is that Instagram is just going through something and you have to, it's not even your fault, it's Instagram's fault. And really the main thing you have to do is make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection, internet connection, whatever, and access to Chrome, Safari, whatever the case is. As long as you have access to an internet browser on your phone, that's all that really matters. So what you want to do is, you want to make sure that you have a phone synced up or a phone number synced up with your Instagram account. So if you have that, all you have to do is go onto Instagram, the app, go to forget your password, and then type in your phone number, and then you'll get a little like 6-digit confirmation code. Type that in and you have access to your account. But if you don't have a phone number linked in with your Instagram account, all you have to do is go to your internet browser, go to Instagram.com and log into Instagram that way. So this way is like the easiest way to do it. So then once you have that, all you want to do is make your way over to your settings profile. You want to click on the same things that I'm clicking on. You want to go to your settings, all that stuff, and you want to sync up a phone number to your Instagram account. This is the main way to do it. This way, if you already don't have one set up, you can do it this way, and you won't have to go through the Instagram on your Safari every single time. You'll be able to get your account back. Don't worry about it. So once you have your phone number synced up, all you need to do now is go back to the Instagram app, go open it, type in forgot your password, type in your phone number as well as your password, and then Instagram will go ahead and redirect you to the confirmation page. Well, once you get that little code thing, all you would have to do at this point, type in that code. If you're on iOS, you can just click on that little thing above the keyboard. It'll go ahead and click you to next, and then you have access to your Instagram account. And this is the best way to do it. This is really the main way to do it on any device. Like I said, this will work on Android or iOS. So pretty much if you have any issues or anything, you can always go follow back in this video and explain exactly how to enter. I've seen other ways to do it too. Some people download Instagram Plus and they're able to bypass it that way. You still have to type in the password and everything, but it's not like full on like bypassing. You're just getting in through this error. You're just getting over that error. But like I said, these are the main ways to do it. If you guys do run into any problems or anything like that, go rewatch this video, explain exactly how to enter. But that is pretty much it. Like I said, if you run into questions, leave them in the comment section below. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed the video, if it helped you out, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those things are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys could check it out. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.